It's our lab's capability that allowed research into the cause of bald eagle mortalities. What were previously thought of as electrocutions were determined to be animals that were shot. Our state has a crime lab for human-focused crimes. We are a lab focused on wildlife. The goal of the forensics team is that we help our officers solve crimes. So we never know what's going to come through the door. A knife, a gun. We have to do a little bit more investigation into finding exactly where on that item we're going to collect the best DNA. Some of our casework has included finding drops of blood on the barrel of a rifle, finding blood on camouflage pants, hair in a knife sheath. We have to look everywhere for the smallest bit of evidence. Our yearly average of cases is about 20 to 25 cases. And typically of those, anywhere from like 4 to 7 are necropsy-only cases.
Necropsy is the term used for doing an autopsy on an animal.
Our specialist, Dr. Nicole Walrath, she knows animal pathology. She knows the signs of when an injury has occurred before death or after death. So we can help the officer put together an explanation as to what happened to that animal.
I'm looking at the outside of the animal, at the coat and the hide condition, if I can find any bleeding or puncture wounds or things along those lines, but a lot of times you can't see that until you skin the animal.
One example of a deer case would be an officer that brings us a carcass from an animal that's acting weird or abnormal. They can't see anything wrong with it and eventually dies. Through a full necropsy, you can track a wound through the body. That starts at the entry wound. You trace it delicately through the body, and our veterinarian makes the determination on what the mortal wound was, and if it is due to that bullet, then we will notify the officer. We also have the capabilities of X-ray. That gives us, one, a clear indication of any broken bones or any trauma that the animal may have gone through, but it also helps us locate items such as arrowheads, bullets, pellets.
Almost every bald eagle we find that has any likelihood of suspicious cause of death, we investigate. We actually found that this bald eagle was poached.
DNA evidence is powerful in a court of law. That genetic evidence increases prosecutions. As our forensic analysts finish cases and provide reports, our officers are usually pretty excited to be able to take our report to court. It helps and it's important. When it comes to poaching, there is a loss culturally to our public. It's a loss of trust in your fellow man when you know people are out there taking animals illegally.
Forensics cases, to me, it's a way of maintaining good relationships, good stewardship, upholding our side of that public trust to make sure that we can have that diversity and that wildlife for generations to come.